Hi, my name is Annette. I'm 21 years old and I'm moving out for the first time in 3 days and I haven't started packing at all. I also have a rash on my neck and my face because I'm taking probiotics right now because I'm also taking antibiotics right now since I got bit by a dog last week so badly I had to go to the emergency room. And also I think my bite is internally bleeding because it really hurts. So I'm just a little bit stressed right now, but that's okay. But you know, subscribe for more moving content because trust me, there's gonna be a lot since this is my first time moving out into an apartment. On my own. 100%. By myself. I don't know how I got my room to be this bad and it's really bad. It's not good at all. My bed on the side here is filled with all my clothes and my blankie. I'm gonna take my blankie. There's more on this side. And then I have some more little hoo-haws over here. And of course, a little fireball for the new 21-year-old on the block. I think the first thing I should do is go to Home Depot and buy some moving boxes. Guys, okay, literally just now I was unloading my cart into my car and I got the last box, and as I was putting it inside my car I turned around, I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and put my cart back into the store, and the cart was all the way down, like it was just rolling off and almost hit a car, and then the employee had to save my ass. Oh my god. So I bought 5 total medium-sized moving boxes from Home Depot. And then I also have these Daiso bags that literally every Asian grandma has. They are gigantic though. So I think I'm gonna put mostly my clothes in these bags, and then anything that's a little bit more fragile like my decorations and stuff will be inside the Home Depot bag. It's the fact that I open these bags and it smells like my grandma for me. If you heard any of that, that is usually what my house is like on the daily. Literally morning, evening, afternoon, 24/7. Anyways, so it's dinner time right now and I am eating rice with some pork and egg. Funny story actually. So I have a friend named Aaron, and in high school he always opened my lunch and sniffed it, and like, I don't know, he was always just curious to see what I had for lunch, and he was always very interested in this dish specifically, and it just got to a point where I was like, you know, like I have extras at home if you just want like just to eat it. So he ate it and he absolutely loved it, and I told my mom that like, hey, like my friend from school really likes your cooking. After that, she always just made him this dish every like month for school. And yeah, that was pretty much one of my first positive experience bringing Chinese food for lunch at school, since, you know, I always got teased a little bit with like things I brought since they're not really like your average like squared pizza for lunch. So shout out to Aaron for making a positive impact in my high school days. Good morning, it is 7:30. We're kind of late because that was my fault. Currently, we are on the way to the apartment to get the keys and get everything filled out. We're gonna stop by Starbucks first. Mommy, we're matching. We both got the ham Swiss and egg, and then I got a matcha iced latte. And Mom, what'd you get? Latte. Tall latte. Let's hit the road. We got the keys. Yes. There's a little confusion though, because when I first saw the apartment, I thought the unit that she was showing us was the one that I was gonna get, which is why we like quickly got the down payment and everything. But I guess not, and like we saw the floor plan for this one. There's only one slight difference, so like that's fine. But I'm just a little bit annoyed with that whole situation.
Yeah,
but it's okay.
The only difference is the balcony. One is in the room, one is in the living room.
Yeah, that's like the only difference. Yeah, I'm just annoyed that like initially, you know, it's just like you don't want to like surprise it all of a sudden. That's okay. We're not gonna let it live rent free in my head. We're gonna go to the apartment and look at it. Hi guys, I don't mean to be that person, but I won't be showing you guys what my apartment looks like until the next week. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for next week when you see my full empty apartment tour. Also, if you made it this far into the video, be sure to comment down below some general tips and advice for me for moving into my new apartment, because this is my first time and I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, that's all. Now back into the video. Hi guys, it is currently 11:12, the night before I move in, and I haven't packed much besides my clothes, so I'm starting to freak out because I realize like I don't have much time left. At first I've been worrying about like, oh, I don't have much to say. I feel like I'm just doing a bunch of time lapses of me moving and like packing things, and I should probably think about talking more and like what things to say. But honestly, like I have so much work to do in terms of packing on top of schoolwork, because I need to get a little bit ahead of my classes, since when I move in there is no Wi-Fi yet, because the Wi-Fi guy is not coming in until the day after everything's settled in. Because of that, I can't do any classwork. I can't submit anything, so I need to do a bunch of schoolwork tonight on top of packing everything in my room, my bathroom, and some things I have for like my kitchen. So I just want to say I'm really sorry this vlog is all over the place and kind of hectic, because it is, and now I know why everyone says that moving is not fun and it's stressful. If there's any advice for anyone who's moving, it's just to start packing way ahead, more than think you should. So since it's really late right now already, I think my first priority is just to pack everything, and then maybe if I do have time, then I can go into doing my schoolwork. Honestly, the way it's looking and how the truck is getting ready really early in the morning, on top of my parents hiring a bunch of movers to help us move, I feel like I might have to pull an all-nighter, which really sucks. But I definitely need to stop procrastinating and just like start packing like right now. Hi guys, it's really chaotic out there right now, but I just want to go ahead and end the vlog here now, because I think I'm going to transition into my moving vlog. So be sure to stick around next week for that. It's kind of crazy, like everything's almost done. As you can see, I have almost everything is done. I just have all of my furniture. I have a box of my decor here, And yeah, be sure to stay tuned till next week when I have my actual moving vlog. And yeah, I should also change and get ready because I'm in the same clothes as yesterday. So sorry this vlog was kind of chaotic, and as you can tell, moving is chaotic, and especially since I procrastinate to the last second to pack everything. So if there's anything you're gonna learn from this video, it's to pack early, be prepared, don't procrastinate. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.